Are you serious? Are you serious? There's some kind of strange noises, some kind of pinging sound from the bottom of the sea in the Arctic. And it's affecting the whales, the marine life, all of the fish. It's unbelievable. Something's going on. Now, Canada is investigating this mysterious pinging sound at the bottom of the sea in the Arctic. Matter of fact, Canada's military is investigating the mysterious pinging that is emanating from the sea floor in the Arctic. The sound, which has also been described as a hum or a beep, has apparently spooked the local wildlife in a fury. And they're in the straits. Paul Quassa, a member of the Legislative Assembly, said the noise was emanating from the sea floor. Matter of fact, that's just one of the major hunting areas in the summer and the winter, and this time around, this summer, there were hardly any fish or wildlife, and this became very suspicious. The military said it's investigating what was causing this sound. The Department of National Defense has been informed of the strange noises emanating in the area, and the Canadian Armed Forces are taking appropriate steps to actively investigate this situation. And the Armed Forces is telling CBC News in Canada. Matter of fact, the Department of National Defense internal correspondence suggested Marines were not considered a likely source of the noise, submarines now I'm talking, but had not been ruled out either. Internal correspondence between sources in the Department of National Defense obtained by CBC News suggests submarines were not immediately ruled out, but were also not considered a likely cause. George Coulant, another member of the Legislative Assembly, said he has noticed the lack of wildlife, and that passage in that strait is a route for bowhead whales and also bearded seals and ringed seals. There would be so many normally in that particular area, and he told CBC News, recalling his own days of hunting in that area, he said but this summer there were none. Zero. The pinging has prompted much speculation. Some have blamed the Iron Mines Corporation, the Baffinland Land Iron Mines, which have previously conducted sonar surveys nearby. However, the company said it was not conducting any surveys in the area and had no equipment in the water. Others have suggested that its Greenpeace might have caused the sound to scare the wildlife away from the rich hunting ground, an allegation that the environmental group is totally denying. So something's pinging. I mean, and it's driving everybody insane. Strange sounds. The Bible does talk about noise from the pit. Okay? You can read it. It's in Isaiah chapter 24, verses 16 and 17. Check it out. Is it happening in Canada? In the Arctic area? We'll find out. Are you serious?